Just a tip, don't even worry about attaching the cabinet to the wall right now. Worry about your face frame and getting it nice and tight. Even though with full overlay doors, you don't see it, but you will when you open the door. But if you can get that nice and tight, then you are just kind of following in line the other mounted wall cabinets and keeping it off the wall. What is required by the curvature of the wall. You can see right here, it's wide, and I'll do my face frame connection, 2 screws, and then I will do my level, then I will shim the back, and then I will screw it to the wall and move on from there.